In this video I'm going to show you how to change the underline color in Google Docs. As you can see, you have an option to select the text and then underline the text. But unfortunately you can't change this color manually. So what we need to do is remove this underline, and now we will go to Insert, go to Drawing, after that click on plus new, and what we are going to do now is select the line. Once you have done that, hold your left shift button and draw a straight line. As you can see, we have drawn a straight line. So now what you can do is change the color of the line. Let's make it green. And you can also change the thickness of the line. Let's say 4 points. So now you can move the line a little bit once you are done. And you can select this mouse to move the line. Make it a little bit centered, and what we will do now, we will save it and close. And as you can see, this line is now drawn. So what we can do, if we would like to underline, for example, the underline word, then we will click on the 3 dots, go to size and rotation. After that, uncheck mark the log aspect ratio, and now we can scale it a little bit down or a little bit up by using these arrows to make it bigger or smaller. The next step is to select in front of text. So now this line will be in front of the text. And once you are going towards the word and select the line, I have to zoom in a little bit to do this better. So I will zoom the page a little bit in. And now you can drag the line underneath the word. And as you can see, we can scale it up with the arrows and now position it underneath the word. So that is basically how you can change the underline color of a word in Google Docs. Thank you for watching.